flower. Great cup. Gala is the best regional festival from across the Philippines for a grand showdown of street dancing, opera, Cinco, representing the Panagua Festival.
Aura te, aura.
Festival, Baguio Flower Festival, is an annual month-long celebration in Baguio City, Philippines. Held primarily in February and nearly March. Designer Raymond Brady Santos. Internationally renowned, highly awarded religious and cultural celebration held annually in Iloilo City, Philippines. Designer Rafael